Welcome to you all in Kanha math classes for class 12 under CBSE board. Now I want to give you some integral of some particular functions. In this regard, I want to state that some students are often and generally remember the particular integral of dx upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. They directly introduce this solution, but I am in favor of that it must be deep rooted towards its proof. Hence, I will try to clear a concept to your all genius minds, the particular integral of this function, because I think you will have no need to remember the particular formula instead of doing it initially. Hence, first of all, we will consider 1 upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon the fraction, factor of this function x square minus a square will be equal to x minus a x plus a. You may very easily bifurcate this 1 upon x minus a into x plus a by partial fraction also, but here you will use a simple trick in order to save time. I will write here 1 upon 2a x minus a minus x plus minus a, because we have taken here 1 upon 2a, it means here we must write like this, that the numerator will be 2a minus a. Here we see x minus a x plus a. X plus a minus x will be cut by this, and minus plus a or plus a will be equal to 2a cut off by 2a. The simplest form of partial fraction, Hence, if you use the integral this dx upon x square minus a square, this will become 1 upon 2a, and we will bifurcate this into two integrals separately. It will be x plus a upon x minus a x plus a minus x minus a upon x minus a x plus a, and this will be the integral, and dx, here also we will write dx, and 1 upon 2a is common to both the bifurcated integrals. Here you clearly see x plus a will be cut by x plus a in denominator. In the same way, x minus a will be cut by x by minus a in denominator, and here we will have full-fledged two integral 1 upon 2a integral dx upon x minus a minus 1 by 2a integral dx upon x plus a. Now we have written separately the two integral, I mean I1 minus I2, and this is of the integral of the standard form dx upon x, that is log x. Instead of x, here we have x minus a. If we want to put or want to integrate by substitution, then you will write if x minus a is equal to t, then dx will be dt, and dt upon t means log t. But here I will like to write directly 1 upon 2a. This will be log x minus a, log x minus a minus 1 upon 2a log x plus a, and ultimately c. Now we'll again take common 1 upon 2a. This will be log x minus a minus log x plus a plus c. Now just we see log m minus log n will be equal to log m by n. Hence 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a and plus c. This will be the requisite answer of this particular integral. Now in the continuance of first formula, we will proceed to derive the second formula, that is integral of some particular function in the series. The second formula is dx upon a square minus x square is 1 upon 2a log a plus x, a minus x plus c. Here also, like the formula previously I have mentioned, we write 1 upon a square minus x square in terms of factor 1 upon a minus x into a plus x. Here instead of using partial fraction, we will direct use a trick 1 upon 2a like the first formula, and this will be the a minus x, a plus x denominator. And now we will have write a, we will write such that the sum or difference of the function above mentioned in numerator will be equal to 2a, so that it may be cut by 2a. a minus x plus minus x minus a plus x here we will write a plus x minus a. Now we see that if we bifurcate the a plus x minus a, x will be cut by minus x, minus a will become plus a, and this will be 2a, which can be cut by 2a. Now we may write our requisite integral dx upon a square minus x square in terms of this, 1 upon 2a, this will be equal to a plus x upon a minus x into a plus x. will bifurcate this integral into two integral, this upon this minus this upon this, dx minus x minus a upon a minus x into a plus x. A plus x dx. This will become 1 upon 2a integral a plus x will be cut by a plus x. Here will have dx upon a minus x, dx upon a minus x, again minus 1 upon 2a integral. This will be if you take here we will have actually we have mentioned in here, this will be a minus x. Now a minus x dx, so this will be cancelled by this, and here we will have the dx upon a plus x, dx upon a plus x dx, and this will be like this. Here we also use the standard form of integral, dx upon x will be equal to log x, then it will be 1 upon 2a, this will become log a minus x. If you put a minus x is equal to t, here we may write, if you put a minus x is equal to t, then 0 minus dx is equal to dt. dt means dx is equal to minus dt हो जाएगा. We will utilize this as here we will utilize dx upon this, dx meaning dx is equal to minus dt. Actually we have now substituted in terms of t, hence it will be equal to log a minus x, minus log a minus x, and here you will be equal to this log a plus x, log a plus x, and here this is plus log a plus x plus c. Now if you observe the function within the bracket, you must observe that this is log a plus, this is log m minus log n, log m minus log n is equal to log m by n, hence 1 upon 2a log m means a plus x, a plus x upon a minus x plus c. This will be the requisite formula for the standard and particular or special function like dx upon a square minus x square is equal to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Now we have here the third particular function like integral dx upon x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Often and generally this standard form of the integration is used in many questions like this, but you will derive the foundation of this formula, and we will give here a proof of this formula that integral of dx upon x square plus a square will be equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now we will have a simple substitution in this, and if you have x is equal to a tan theta, put x is equal to a tan theta, then dx is equal to a derivative of tan square theta is equal to sec square theta into d theta. Dx is equal to a sec square theta into d theta. We will write here dx is equal to a sec square theta d theta upon x, means we have substituted x by a tan theta. This will become a tan theta square plus a square. Now this will become a sec square theta d theta, and square of a tan theta means a square tan square theta plus a square. Now a sec square theta d theta, if you take common in denominator a square, you will have a square within the bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Very easily you may say this 1 plus tan square theta will always become sec square theta. Now I will be integral a sec square theta d theta upon a square. 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta. Here a will be cut by this a square, sec square theta by sec square theta. We will left 1 upon a, and here we will have only left d theta. You know the integral of d theta is equal to theta 1 upon a theta plus c. Now here we have substituted x by a tan theta. It means tan theta is equal to x by a, hence theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse x by a. We will write here 1 by a theta. Theta means tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse x by a plus c. This is very famous special function for special integral. I will be equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is the proof of this integral. Dx upon x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan square x by a plus c. Thank you for watching this video under Khan Ahmed classes of second year math under CBSE board. My attempt is, or my endeavor is, always to prepare you good concept holding students of second year math. Hence I am using some important and particular function, you may call special function. The integration of that you often and generally students are fond of remembering the integral of this, but I want to create a concept, clear concept in their minds, that the proof or integral of this integral which you remember, you may adopt this method to find out the integral without remembering. Thanks you for watching. I want that you should like, subscribe and comment this video. Thanks.